Good morning students. Welcome to online classes of CRA International School. This is your math class and I will teach you about volume and surface area. In previous classes we learned about volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. Today we learn about surface area and volume of cylinder. How we can find out and how we can derive the formulas of cylinder, of surface area and volume. Okay, let me start. I hope you will get understanding about the surface area and volume of cube and cuboid in previous classes. If you have not seen this video, please watch this video and learn and understand surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. How we can find out and how we derive the formula of this surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. Now we learn about cylinder surface area. Firstly, I am telling you the formula, then I will describe how we can find out this and why we are writing this. Okay, both will learn कि how and why we are writing this. Firstly, हमारा what is the cylinder? Cylinder means a round shape. Whenever cylinder come in, we speak that time combined in our gas cylinder. Exactly yes. तो सेम हमारी वाटर बॉटल है वो भी हमारी सिलेंड्रिकल मींस राउंड शेप में जो हमारी फिगर्स होती हैं क्लोज सॉलिड फिगर दैट इज द सिलेंडर. ओके, एंड सिलेंडर भी हमारे पास में राउंड शेप में दैट इज द रेडियस बिकॉज़ दैट इज द सर्कल इन शेप. वो सर्कल की शेप में है एंड दैट इज द हाइट. ओके, एंड इफ वी कट इट आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट इज द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ ऑफ दिस मींस दैट इज इन रेक्टेंगल शेप. आई विल शो यू बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. This is the paper and this is the length and this is breadth. If I fold it and that is in what kind of shape we get it? That is cylinder. Okay, ये क्या है cylinder and that length is circumference of this circle. इस circle की circumference को कहते हैं. Okay, and if we open it, that is the length and this is the breadth. Okay, and what is the volume? Pi r square h of cylinder. If we talk about covered surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r. And if we talk about total surface area TSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Okay, now I am explaining how that is. Firstly, we talk about volume. Volume pi r square h. Volume means occupy space. Means if suppose if I cover this and that space is called its volume. इसके अंदर जो space है that is volume. and ये space कैसे होगा? by area of the base and its height. तो base area means that is in circle shape and circle का area क्या होता है? pi r square and that is the जो breadth है this paper की that is height of this type of cylinder. means what is the volume of pi r square into h? That's why pi r square h. If we talk about covered surface, means that is the round area. That is covered surface area means area of this paper and area of this paper what will be? Length multiplied breadth. But if we fold it, that is what kind of shape? Cylinder, and this will be circumference and this is the height of the cylinder. So means what is that? 2 pi r into h means 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Means suppose there is a circle and what is the circumference? Around length. And its circumference area formula circumference. Circumference of the circle. क्या होगा? Around length means 2 pi r. तो 2 pi r into h. तो means covered surface area 2 pi r into h. If we talk about total surface area, total means all parts area. If we find out the cylinder, that is the total surface area. Means are covered, base and top. Means all parts का area. Means there are three faces of a cylinder: round, flat and flat. This if we talk about covered surface area means 2 pi r h. If we talk about base area pi r square. If we talk about top means pi r square. means all को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं तो फॉर्मूला हमारा surface area 2 pi r h. Okay, that is the covered surface area. And one this face area, if we talk about this face area, flat face means pi r square. Pi r square. Same top and bottom same होगा. So we write this also pi r square. And total surface area means to add all of these three faces area. And now if we add, these are same, add 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r. Okay, if we take out common from this, what is common? You can tell me. Yes, and you are looking this 2 pi and r. R square means r multiply r means r is 2 times. So we can take 1 r common. 2 pi r into, from this what is remaining? H. From this side means 2 pi r multiply r. This is outside, so 1 r is there. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. And we can write it in first or second means 2 pi r. If we write r plus h or h plus r, both are same, because we learn about commutative property. In commutative property, what is say that if we interchange the number in addition, answer will be same. So we can change it. Don't worry. Okay. तो ये आपका cylinder का how we can find out the volume, how we can find covered surface area, and how we can find out total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Now we take an example and we try to solve the questions. Okay. Learning. Firstly, in formulas based questions, we have to understand how the formula drive, and then we have to learn it. And by this, we can apply it quickly and we can solve our question quickly. So, learning volume of cylinder, one time we make pi r square h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Covered surface area 2 pi r multiply h, and 2 pi r h we can see that. Okay, learning. Now we find out the solve the questions with the help of these. Okay, suppose that is the cylinder. I told you this is the cylinder, and its radius is 7 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Okay, now we find out the volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? Firstly, write the formula. Pi r square h. Pi r square means area of base, h means height of base. Now we put the value. Pi value means 22 by 7. R square means 7 square. H means 5 values here. So now we solve it. 22 by 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 5. 7 से 7 cancel. Now we multiply. 22 5 is 110, and if you multiply by 7, so what is the answer? 770, and this is the volume, so it measure in cube unit. So always write cube on centimeter, क्योंकि क्यूबिक यूनिट में हम इसको काउंट करते हैं. If we talk about CS, यानी कि covered surface area, and what is the formula of this? 2 pi r h. We put the value 2 multiply pi value 22 by 7, r is 7 and h is 5. Now we solve it again. 7 से 7 to cancel किया. Again इसको हमने multiply 110 multiply 2 means 220 are there based on this. So try these formulas and try to solve these questions. Thank you.